Hey campers, how you doing today? This is Dustin with Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke, and I have a super fresh arrival here for you guys. It's a 2023 Flagstaff E19FD. No slide out on this unit. Nice compact unit. You could pretty much tow with any SUV. Sorry. Two solid steps going in. You do have a nice size awning, one exterior speaker. Spot right here. This is actually not a barbecue or there's a table or something like that inside. Do have the off-road tires and some storage compartments on either end, and there's a nice ladder on the back here. You do have solar on this unit, however you have a plug-in on the side of it, so if you want to upgrade the storage. Come on into this cute little unit, guys. Holy crap, we got a Murphy bed. That's friggin' awesome. First unit with a Murphy bed I've actually seen. Pop this hood off. First unit that you can actually recline these chairs without dropping down your Murphy bed. Super nice. You have his and hers closets on either side. Tons of storage in there. Some power hookups, of course, and some phone charging there. Over here in the kitchenette area, one sink. We do have a 3-burner stove and a very large oven for the size of the trailer. Pop up little extra counter space there for you, and all kinds of drawers for storage, and some more storage up top. I didn't even notice you got a nice spot to put your paper towel as well. Some storage up above the dinette here. This dinette will drop down and make a bed should you need it to. TV does come with it, of course. And you have your solar controls right there, sorry. Over here we have our Magic Chef fridge. Great size fridge. You have a travel lock on there, of course, and a Magic Chef microwave. Come on back into the bathroom. Dual medicine cabinets, that's super nice. We got one here. Tons of space. Porcelain toilet, by the way. Tons of space around that. And 2 more medicine cabinets up here. Or towel storage if you want. Tons of vanity space, some storage underneath, and a great size shower that I can stand up in very comfortably. Folks, you're only going to find a unit like this in one place, and that's Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke, X11.